Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, man, I got a crazy review to bring y'all. We got the Jordan 4 RM bike hair. As y'all can see, unique box, like everything with these. Just such a crazy pair. I'm going to get into showing you guys everything with these. Because, again, I've liked these since I saw, photos of them first previewed. I mean, we got that black pair later this year. We also got the black cat, the regular RMs. Like, all those, I'm rocking with. And I saw these in hand. I took a little peep. I put some photos on my IG early, so make sure y'all check that out down below. But yeah, this is the type of stuff I like. It's unique. It has some stuff with it. And it seems comfortable. So I'm waiting for my size 9 to land, and I'm gonna tow these. Might do an on foot video if y'all want that. Let me know. But yeah, why don't we get into reviewing the Jordan 4 bike air, or Jordan 4 RM bike air, excuse me. If you guys want more content like this though, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Let's try to 200 likes on this video. That is a normal goal we shoot for. Don't forget to also check out my Instagrams down below. Gave that a quick little shout out. Anyone ever want to buy, sell, or trade with me, feel free. Again, I got some of the Amamani Air 4s early. I got these in 8 and 10. I got the Kobe 5 X-Ray. Y'all can check out my review yesterday on those. I got these in a 6.5Y. So some early pairs, some regular stuff. Feel free to check my story there. And check us out Resale Vision. Don't forget, we're doing pairs of these under market right now. So if you want your chance to get a pair at near retail price or, again, under market, that is exactly what we do. So make sure you guys check us out down below and get joined up there to stop missing out and getting your favorite releases for less. Stop overpaying for kicks. So make sure you guys get in Resale Vision. You can see some people winning some of those deals recently. And, well, more we got on the way this week. We got a fire schedule for this week, as you guys can see on the screen there, too, if that isn't done yet. Still, you can see we got some kicks. Fire ones. Some good deals. But let's get into reviewing, again, the Jordan 4 bike air. And see y'all in Resale Vision or the next video. Let's continue. Or my IGs. But first things first, again, when getting into these, it's really just a regular Jordan 4 box, right? Like, you can kind of tell. It's pretty much just, normal kind of square box that we would have. And as you can see, it says right on there, bike air. Since keep in mind, this is the Jordan 4 RM NIGEL SYLVESTER Grandma's Driveway, but it is also called the bike air 4s. So, a little unique logo we got right there. I thought that was pretty cool. And again, this whole design on the box on the bottom, which is textured, by the way. It's like textured. Like, it's actually like a bumpy, kind of like you feel it. You know what I mean? This is based off, again, Grandma's Driveway. Because, again, this whole sneaker is based off, like, his grandma, and I'll get into discussing that. But this is specifically based off his old driveway where, again, he learned to bike. So you can see that is very cool, very unique. I got tons of pairs of these on the way. Just with something like this, you cannot go wrong. Also, another small detail on the inside of the box. As you guys can see, it says Go. That is NIGEL SYLVESTER's logo. Because keep in mind, they did the Go Ride 2024 the other day. So, that's that logo they got right there. I think everything on Go is also NIGEL SYLVESTER's brand. So, another thing right there. And as you guys can see, none of the details shown. It's just a regular Jordan 4 box. But I'm guessing this is the box we'll have for Jordan 4 RMs. It's not going to say bike air on everyone, but maybe we'll just have a regular Jordan 4 box like this. Not everyone's going to be textured, though. Aside from that, some other stuff that we got. I'll show y'all another unique detail on the box in a second, but some stickers, as y'all can see, and the extra white laces. Definitely going to be trying these out with my pair for sure. Again, if y'all want that in-hand review, or not in-hand review, on-foot review, let me know down below. And there are all the stickers that we got with these. As you guys can see, lots of different ones. So that's another really cool feature about the shoe. Just unique stuff coming with it. So I'm going to set that right there. And as you guys can see, it has a photo of NIGEL SYLVESTER for the wrapping paper. This is, again, a photo of him on his bike from back in the day. You can see there is the bike right there. Hopefully, again, this is like pretty visible, so you can see the bike right there, and then there is, well, baby Nigel right there. So small little detail we got with these. And finally, why don't we dive into the sneakers? But as you can see, so many things with these. Like, it is a very unique pair. That's why I went out the way and got so many early. I'm actually up on that. Ended up being a really good play I made there, so I'm happy about that. It's been a good week for me. But yeah, whenever you get a sneaker like this with so many unique features on a model that has just started to kind of get some traction, oh yeah, you better be paying attention, especially when it's a unique collab. So as you guys can see, the beautiful kind of suede material we got, really liking that. Very smooth. Again, I'm hyped for my 9, because when I saw these today, I was like, oh yeah, these are getting towed. And there you guys can see it says bike air right there. People rock with unique stuff like this. And again, it's just kind of like a Jordan 4 low, pretty much. You know what I mean? It's kind of like that. I mean, it is the RM model, but you can kind of see very comfortable. Got kind of that, puffy tongue. Somewhat puffy. It's not as puffy as like a SB4 tongue, but somewhat padded. You know what I mean? And this is very padded, actually, by your heel right here. Like, the actual whole section around the sneaker where your heel would be, very padded. So that's a nice little feature. We got Nike swoosh embroidered right up there by the toe box. As you guys can see, we also got some red on the soles right there with that little Nike logo. I'll show y'all that. Boom, we'll flip those around. There's the Nike logo and a little bit of a better look right there. There's the sole right there, little air bubble we got with these, and overall pretty clean. And you guys can see on the tongue tag, it also has embroidered A little small detail right there. It says Bike Air. As you can see, it says bike right there. So Bike Air by Jordan. Pretty cool. Or I don't know why I always repeat myself like that, but very nice detail right there we have as well. And you guys can see on the inside of the sneaker, on the insole right there, it says Nigel Sylvester as well. So showing that, again, this is his unique collaboration. The box also shows that, the stickers, everything else it comes with. Like, this is just such a well-done shoe. Like, when's the last time, we had some unique Nike stickers? You know what I mean? It's been a minute since we've gotten some cool stuff like this. And, of course, we got the extra laces with them, which I think the white laces will work very well with this particular colorway. Considering you already got some white embroidery or stitched, font on the sneaker right there. Hopefully this will focus so y'all can see that right there. And again, the laces, kind of those green ones it comes with. Again, I think it might work really well with those white laces. But overall, a really well done pair. I know, again, not everybody is a fan of the Jordan 4 RM model, but this is something I can rock with. You know what I mean? We've been having a lot of, New Balances getting popular this year. Asics are getting popular. Like, people just like kind of that dad shoe or comfortable shoe vibe. I don't know why it is, but that's, I like it, and I know why. It's because they're comfy. So I feel like most people are in that, kind of same boat, and that's exactly what these will be. They're very comfortable. Prices have, again, sort of, because they didn't make enough of them. But also, the stock is a little bit unknown as well. And it's unique. You cannot go wrong, again, with some Bike Air. You know what I mean? Look at that. Let me grab the other pair right here as well. So, again, just a really nice, just kind of low top. You know what I mean? Like, this is a cool shoe. So, for me, cop every day of the week. I'm glad I got my personal size on the way, and I'm glad I got them early. You know what I mean? Paid before the prices rose a ton. If anybody needs 7 through 11, let me know on my Instagram or join Resale Vision down below. Again, you can get a good deal with us there. So don't miss out. We got more of those coming tonight. But let me know how y'all are feeling, again, about this pair. And I'm definitely going to get into some B-roll shots in a second. So you know what? Why don't we do that? We're going to get into some B-roll shots for, again, the Nigel Sylvester Jordan 4s, or Jordan 4 RM, excuse me. Like, you cannot go wrong with something like this. Like, the fact that they're also kind of looking like biking shoes a little bit, I think that's makes it all the better. So you just got unique details. You got a lot of stuff with these. And again, you cannot go wrong with the unique Nike Air. So definitely got a pair I'm towing of these. But why don't we get into some B-roll shots and the outro for, again, the Nigel Sylvester 4s. I'm going to call them that. So, or Jordan 4 RM. I know some of y'all going to come for me in the comment section if I don't say it correctly. But Nigel Sylvester, you killed this collab. Let's dive into it. Or some B-roll shots. Let's go.
It becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the tea. The water can flow, or it can crash. And water, my friend. Sticks made a bucket head.
Anyways, guys, I appreciate all of you that watched this review right here for, again, the Nigel Sylvester Jordan 4 RM Bike Airs. Look at that. Just love it. Like, this is my style of sneaker, man. I have plenty of New Balances and other stuff like that in my collection. Whenever you get a dad shoe type thing, and I love the Jordan 4. So making a Jordan 4 low, pretty much, you're gonna win me over every time. There's a lot of Jordan 4 RMs that you'd like, which are on the way this year. I know that might be shocking because a lot of people don't like the RM model, but I think it's gonna grow on people, man. I really do. Like, you cannot go wrong with something like this. And again, the small details which just make this shoe so nice. So again, let me know how y'all are feeling about this one in the comment section. Be sure you guys subscribe and like down below for more. Just trying to 200 likes in this video again if you all want more in-hand reviews. And be sure you guys check us out at Resale Vision. Don't forget, we're doing more under market pairs. You can see again if our week 4 schedule. You know, if I have the graphic done, then y'all will see that right there. If not, then you can just see some of the items we're doing, see some of the stuff people have been winning. These way under market price we've been doing. So we got more of them on the way this week. Tons of sizes. I got tons for my inventory and, you know, just personal holds on the way. But let me know how y'all feel about this pair in the comments. Did you cop one for retail? Did you go out the way and pay resale? Hey, if you ended up paying resale a couple days ago, that ended up being a good play, like a good flip type thing. But if you just got a good, you know, good deal on your personal pair, all the better, you know what I mean? So check that out down below. Check me out on my IGs. Again, I always buy, sell, and trade there, so don't miss that. I've already said subscribe and like in this outro. And let me know how y'all feeling about the NIGEL 4s. My size 9 is on the way. So if y'all want an on-foot video, let me know. Like, I gotta tow these. This is too cool. Like, this is one of those sneakers where it's like, man, if I don't get it now, I don't know if I ever will. You know what I mean? Like, it's not going to get cheaper. They aren't making any more of them, and, well, the prices are rising. So I think people are figuring out all the unique details, stuff like that it comes with. And, well, NIGEL, you've won people over with that. I'll let you know that. So that's what I can say. You can't go wrong with something like this. This is going into the inventory right here, this pair. And don't forget, tomorrow, we got the Amamaniere early review for the Fossil Stone pair, which is coming in September. So stay tuned for that review. And if anybody needs them, hit me up on my IG. I got 13, 11.5. 11.5 and 13 right here, but I also got more 13s and 12. So if anybody needs just 11.5, 12, 13, hit me up if you need those on my money ears. And anyone for, again, the bike ears, 7 through 11, hit my IG. Or join Resale Vision down below. Don't overpay for your pair, man. Get a deal in there with us. We do deals every day. Stop missing out. All right, that's it. I've said enough. Make sure y'all let me know your thoughts down below on these pairs. And I'm going to see you all in the next one coming tomorrow. So make sure you guys don't miss out on that. Thank you, guys. And see you all then. Down below in Resale Vision, my IG. Hit me up there. I'll be seeing you later. Peace.